Hey guys, what you see here is Easy Rider Motors motorcycle now. Uh, Everybody knows a lot of things happen to this bike right here. A lot of things need to be fixed. All the fairings on both the sides. We've got brand new fairings that will go on the motorcycle. Let me do a walk around. If you guys see right here, the steering damper is bent. So if you see this piece right here, if you can see my hand from the bottom too. So this steering damper is bent. This needs some work. The bike needs some love. The foot pegs right here are bent. So those are an issue. Both sides they are bent. Then we'll do a walk around again. This is the bike we installed. The EK 3D chain right here, the gold and black, just before he was going on the trip. The biggest concern right here is the air exhaust, which is squished. So we'll go ahead, start doing the work on this motorcycle. Let's see. Let me first get the exhaust off. That's the bigger part. We already have the windscreen for the bike, so the windscreen is available now. We just need a black piece right here, and then we'll mount the windscreen. So yeah, let's go ahead, start some work. Once the exhaust is off, then we can have the we'll see what else is needed on the motorcycle. First, let me go ahead, get the exhaust.